I am running an online store and I want every time a new customer is added on my store, automatically that customer with all the details should be added in my CRM as well, so that I will be able to properly nurture and manage all my customers. So as soon as a customer is added like this, for example, this is the email sample customer. As soon as the product is purchased by this customer on my store, here I will be taking you back towards my CRM. And here you can see that the customer is automatically added. Also, I've not used any coding or programming skills to connect these applications at the back end, but I have used a no code automation software with the help of which I have integrated these two applications, and that is Pabbly Connect. I'm going to show you that how you can also create this amazing automation. This is a small change made in your business so that every time a new customer is added, automatically they will be added as a contact in your CRM as well, and they are not missed, but they are converted into paid repeated customers. So just stay with me till the end of the video and you will be learning how to create this automation for your business so that every time you will be receiving a customer, they are not get missed. Okay, so let's get started. To start with the process, here I am on the landing page of Pabbly Connect, where we can read simply by typing pabbly.com/connect in our browsers. After coming over here, you will find two options. So if you are an existing user, directly sign in to access your dashboard. But if you are a new user, then you have a surprise. You can sign up for free. You can create a free new account just in 2 minutes. Also, when you will do that, you will be receiving 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software. After exploring and trying this software for free, connecting multiple applications with each other, creating multiple automations, if you realize that this automation software is worth your business, you can purchase it using my coupon code SHRYT given in the description and on the left side of the screen, and you will be receiving exclusive discounts. So at the time of checkout, you can use my code. Okay. Now I'm going to quickly sign in. Not only Pabbly Connect, but we have other amazing automation softwares for all kind of business requirements. You can try all of them. Also, if you want, you can have all of them at a single place by using Pabbly Plus plan. I'm going to quickly access Pabbly Connect. Quickly, let's start building the workflow. So I will click on this button and here we have three options: create from scratch, create using AI, and create using Quick Builder. Each option is an amazing one. So if you want, you can also build your workflow from scratch step by step. You can either build your workflow completely, even the connections using AI. But I'm going to show you the quickest and the easiest method, that is using Quick Builder, with the help of which we can create the entire workflow with a single line prompt. Here we just have to provide all applications name that you want to connect and the workflow template will be ready for us. So here I want to connect my e-commerce store. For example, I'm taking WooCommerce over here. So I will be connecting WooCommerce. And when I will be receiving a new customer through WooCommerce, I want to add that customer in my CRM. And as my CRM, I'm using HubSpot. So here I've entered the details. And now it is saying which WooCommerce trigger should start this workflow. So I want every time an order will be placed on my WooCommerce store, I want to capture the details of that order and the customer. Okay. So I will be selecting new order created. And in my HubSpot, I want to simply create a contact. Okay. Now I will approve the workflow and it is created in front of us. So the applications are connected. Now we just have to build the connection between WooCommerce and Pabbly Connect, and same with HubSpot. So let's start with WooCommerce. And I want for each order created, if the customer is new, it should be added in my HubSpot CRM. So I will simply copy this webhook URL and now we will be building the connection between WooCommerce and Pabbly Connect. For that, I will be taking you towards WordPress, as WooCommerce is the plugin of WordPress. And here we'll go towards WooCommerce. Under WooCommerce, here I will be going towards settings. Make sure that the plugin is installed and active in your WordPress. Otherwise, you won't be able to see these pages. Okay, now we have to go towards advanced section. Under advanced, here we have the option of webhook. So we have to set up a webhook over here. So quickly, we'll click on this add webhook button and we will be entering some details. So let's say the name of my webhook is new customers added. Then the status should be active. The topic is order created. So when the order will be placed, the person who has placed the order will be added as a customer, okay, in the customer section. Let me open the customer section. So here we have all the customers. Whenever the order will be placed, the new customer will be added in this list. Okay, the delivery URL is here. Let's paste that. And here the API version will be the latest one. click on save webhook. The webhook is created and added in WooCommerce. And now every time the order will be placed, the webhook URL is going to transfer all the details of the order and the customer inside Pabbly Connect. So here we have received a test response. Now let's click on this recapture webhook response button. And now we will be placing a sample order to capture the response inside Pabbly Connect. So I will be taking you towards my store of WooCommerce, and here in front of you I'm going to add one order. Okay, let's say this moonstone silver ring. Let's go towards cart, and moonstone silver ring is added in the cart. Let me reduce the quantity. Okay, so we'll proceed towards the checkout, and newest customer will be the name of this customer. Okay, this is the billing address, and the payment method is cash on delivery. Okay, I'm going to place the order. As the order is being placed, now I will be taking you back towards Pabbly Connect, and here we got the response with all the details. Okay, now we will be using these details to create a record and contact in HubSpot CRM. So let's go towards HubSpot, click on connect, and here I will be going towards add new connection. Click on connect with HubSpot CRM. Because I was already logged into my HubSpot CRM account, so my account is detected. Let's choose the account, and here the connection is built. After the connection is built, we just have to provide the details in these fields so that the contact could be created. One by one, let's start entering. All the fields are not mandatory. Whatever details you have received and what you want to add, you can update the record according to that. Okay. So for example, I've received the city. I'm going to map city over here. I have not received company name, size, region, etc. So I'm going to ignore these fields. Email is received. So I am going to add email. See, I am not entering the details manually. I am mapping by using my previous response. I am doing that because I want to automate this process. If I will enter these details manually, they will become static, and then they are not going to replace every time when the new response will be captured. Therefore, to automate the process to dynamically change these details every time a new response is captured, I am mapping these details. Okay, we have received phone number and done. Okay, now I'm going to quickly click on save and send test request button. Okay, so because here my objective is only to add new customers, I do not have to do anything much, because if the email will be repeated, HubSpot will not create a new contact for that email. Only the new customers who are placing the orders will be added in HubSpot. Okay, so I'm going to click on save and send test request button. The response is received. This is the customer ID. So I will be taking you towards HubSpot. We will go towards contact section, and the contact is added, as you can see, with the same email. So this means that the connection is built properly, and here the workflow is set up. Now every time a new customer will be added in my store, automatically that customer will be added as a contact in my CRM. It is not mandatory to use the same applications that I am using. This was just for reference. If you want, you can use any of your e-commerce store, any of your payment gateway application by using which you are collecting the payments, and any of the CRM that you are using for your business. Okay, so in this way you can maintain a record systematically of all your customers in your CRM. You can connect with your customers further. You can manage them and nurture them as you want, and that too automatically. I hope this automation was simple and clear for you. If you have any doubt, you can write down in the comment section. I will be solving your doubts. Also, if you have any specific requests related to any of the use cases for the videos, please write down in the comment section. I will be happy to create the videos next time according to your requirements. Thank you for watching.